Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter with this golden look and dress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to make it black and choose only bangs, and then you're going to do adjustment. You can position it like this, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and put on this hairstyle. You're going to make it black, and this bang, you're going to do adjustment as well. You can copy this adjustment. Alright, and the next one, you're going to put on this tie. You can make it gold and make it glitter, and then adjust it like this. Okay, and you're going to put on these boots. You're going to make it white for the first selection, and gold and black, and then you're going to put on this belt. This is from the VIP room, and you're going to make it gold. And then for the adjustment, you can copy this adjustment. Okay, and then you're going to put on this skirt. You're going to make it white and also black. And then this pant, you're going to make it black. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and from this dressing room I'm going to choose item from this menu. Go to the Valentine update, and then you're going to put on this jacket, and this is from the VIP room. You're going to remove everything and make it black, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the VIP room, and from this VIP room we can choose this item. Oops, sorry guys, I clicked the item that I don't want to put on. You can put on this item, and then you can choose only chains, and then you're going to color it with this gold color for all the selection. Okay, let's move to this area, and I'm going to put on this item. We're going to make it like this for the second selection, and for the first selection, oops, sorry, for the first selection I'm going to make it white. Okay, done. And then I'm going to put on this item, and then we're going to remove the garment, and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to put on this item. We're going to choose only pearls, and then we're going to apply the gold color. Okay, apply gold color, and then the next one I'm going to move to the next area. Okay, sorry guys, it's here. You're going to put on this top from the summer update, and then you're going to make it black and make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to change the color of this item. I'm going to make it black for the first selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to this location and put on the sleeves, and for the sleeves I'm going to make it toggle free, and we're going to make it black for all the selection, just one selection, sorry. Okay, and then you're going to make it glitter as well. And okay guys, this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!